Good morning, students. As you can see, this is the landing page wherein you land after you select your course. Once you have selected the course, you have to first click on add to cart. As you proceed to add to cart, you will be requested to put in your user ID and password. For registered users who have already been using our services, please fill in these details. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on forgot password. For new users, please move your cursor down and go to register now button. Once you click the register now button, you will be requested to fill in your details. So students are requested to please fill in the details as per their own details and not for someone else. Username and email ID can be same. If you want, you can keep it separate as well. Your password can be a combination of alphanumeric options. You can even add symbols if needed, as per your own preference. Once you are done, please click on the register button. As you do that, you will be again redirected to the Tropical Mocktail class landing page. You again have to go to the add to cart option. Once you do that, your product is added to the cart, so you need to select the cart. Once you do that, you will be requested to put in your coupon code that is given to you on your WhatsApp chat personally as per your request. So use that code to generate your discount. Once you have done that, we request you to proceed to checkout and fill in your checkout details. These details are important as you will be getting your receipts on your email IDs directly with the detailed information put in here. As you can see on the screen, once you place the order, you will be seeing a dialog box which will be redirecting you to Razorpay dashboard. Choose the appropriate mean wherein through which you would like to do the payment, and once you have done the payment, so you just simply need to use say UPI, scan the QR code, do the payment, and once you are done with it, you will be getting a thank you message of the payment being done, and you will be redirected back again to the same page. In case you are not redirected back to your landing course page, once you are done with the overall process, request you to please click on the link given to you on your WhatsApp chat or your mail and just proceed further, and you will be able to actually enroll into your class. Thank you so much, team. Happy learning.